Hello and welcome to this Google tutorial video hosted by Adam Pearce of Strawberry 7. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install and set up Google Calendar on an iOS device. Although this is an iOS device, the same principle should apply for an Android or Windows mobile device as well. It will just look slightly different in the App Store, but the interface for Google Calendar should look the same. Before you begin, ensure that you know the Google account that you want to set up for Google Calendar and the password. To start with, go to App Store. Now we're going to search and do a search for Google Calendar. You will notice that the first result should say Google Calendar and will have this calendar symbol with 31st on it. Click the button to download, and this will download the Google Calendar app onto your iOS, Android or Windows device. Once the app is installed, you should see it on your device just here, Google Calendar. So we're going to click that, and it will launch a Google Calendar app. It will ask us to sign in. It says it would like to access our calendar. We'll say OK. And we're going to click Add Account. We'll click Continue. And now we're going to be asked to sign into our Google account. This is where you'll put your Google username in. Next, you'll be asked for your password. Once you've entered your password, you should have a button that says Get Started. Click that. Click OK. You can click Allow for the notifications. This will send notifications through of upcoming events that you've got. Click Got It on any kind of tips or tricks that come up at the start. And Google Calendar will launch and then start to load your calendar events. From this first screen, you'll see the various calendar entries that you have, and these might be different colors if you have different calendars. If you click the lines in the top left, you can see the different calendars here that you have access to, just in this section. You can also change in the top here the view. You could change from week to month, and that will change the view accordingly. You could also change to day if you wanted to drill down into specifics about the particular day. If you wish to add an event to your calendar, click the plus symbol down in the bottom right here, and then you can click Event. Make sure that you're selecting the correct calendar when creating your event by clicking here at the top and selecting the calendar that you wish the event to appear on. You can specify times in the middle, or whether it's an all-day event. You can add a location if that's relevant, and notifications. And the title is added at the very top here where it says Enter Title. As always, if you have any further questions about this, please just drop an email to support@strawberry7.com and we'll be delighted to help guide you further.
Finally, as always, thank you for watching. That concludes this video tutorial. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. If you have any suggestions for more videos you'd like to see, let us know. If you liked this video, please consider leaving us a like and subscribing to our channel for all the latest updates.